What's the meaning of automobile? Automobile. Automobile.
Automobile. Automobile. The term automobile refers to a motorized vehicle designed for transportation on roadways. The word is derived from the Greek autos, self, and the Latin mobilius, movable. Automobiles come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and designs, ranging from compact and fuel-efficient to large and powerful. They are typically powered by internal combustion engines, although electric and hybrid vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. Automobiles have revolutionized the way people travel and have become an integral part of modern society, providing convenience and mobility to millions of people around the world.